morning, everybody. We're going to be going to a car show today. Car show starts at 8 o'clock. It's just shortly after 8 now. I got to travel a couple hours to get to it. I figured that'd be a good time. Not everybody shows up first thing in the morning, and it's kind of cool out, so. First time I'm going to be going to this car show, so I wanted to kind of see what it was. It's over in Lockhart. Another excuse to go over there. They got some good brisket over there, and like blacks, and I can't remember what the other one is right now, but so I get to kill two birds with one stone. But like I said, it's going to take a couple hours, so we will have a little bit of a drive. Okay, made it to Lockhart, Texas. Just about ready to enter the car show. Ooh. Cool. You know you're getting old when you see these at car shows nowadays. 429. Ah, that looks fucking cool.
turned into the trash can.
Oh, it's like
Bumblebee's head. Hey, I don't have your number. No, I don't. Huh? Oh my. Wow, that is some meat. This was what I was going to eat before I got stuffed underneath there.
Today, as you've seen, I've gone to the Lockhart car show that was today on Saturday. Actually, the longest trip that I've taken in my Challenger. It was 114 miles one way for me to get there, almost 2 hours worth of driving. Longest drive that I've had in this car. Most of the time I just kind of stick around town with it because I live in town. But enjoyed the ride. Awesome car show down there, guys. Really, really big car show. I was very impressed with how many cars and how many blocks and blocks of cars there were to take a look at. They had 4 stages, live bands, lots of vendors there. Lockhart's known for barbecue. They got Black's Barbecue, Smitty's Barbecue. By the time I got to both of those, they were pretty well backed up, but I didn't want to wait that long. And they were right there on the main downtown where the car show was. So I opted to go down the road. I went to the Chisholm Trail Barbecue. Good barbecue there, though. Was impressed with the brisket. Did love it. Kind of a barbecue or grilling enthusiast as well as my car enthusiast. While I was there, I did make a purchase. Gentleman does a lot of steel, a lot of cutting with plasma. Got myself a Challenger. Even has the shaker hood in it. I had many people stop me and ask me, where'd I get this? And I told them, sorry, I bought the only one he had. So, but, fun day. Hope you guys enjoy seeing the cars. Hopefully I can get put something else out for you guys. Maybe a little bit of a mod that I might do to the car. Not sure yet which direction I'm going to go yet. But there will be more. Until then, DW's Garage, out of here.